Now pH, what is pH? pH is the negative logarithm to base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration. We have pH and we have pOH. pOH is what of alkaline, while pH for what is for acid. Now we have a pH scale. pH scale ranges from 1 to what to 14, and 7 here. 7 is neutral. So from 1 to 6, 6 is acidic, and from 8 to 14 is neutral, is alkaline or basic. Alkaline or what? Basic. Now here is what is neutral. Here is neutral. Okay, so how do you know a particular salt has this part of this CH? How do you know a particular salt have a pH either less than 7 or greater than 7? So for instance, we have NaCl. OH in this particular or add water in this particular compound, they will form acid and they will form what? They will form base. Now if I add water here, we have Na, we have what? We have water, and we have what? HCl. Now identify the two things. This is what? Base, and this is what? Acid. Now you should be able to know strong acid and strong base. Now when strong acid come in contact with strong base, they will form a neutral pH. You understand? Strong acid, strong base, neutral pH. Strong acid, weak base, the pH will be acidic. Weak acid, strong base, the pH will be what? Will be basic. You get that? So this one is strong acid against what? Weak base. So pH is equals to what? 7. It's a neutral pH. What if you have a salt like let's just say NaCO3? Now put water into this compound. Here we now have what? NaOH, and here we have what? HCO3. This bicarbonate is a weak acid. You get that? This is what? A weak acid. So and this one is what? A strong base. So strong base against what? Weak acid will give what? A pH greater than what? 7. Weak acid, strong base will give a pH greater than what? 7. Now what if you have a salt like this? FeSO4. Add water to it. Here we have what? FeOH, and we have what? H2SO4. This is a strong acid and this is what? A weak base. So the pH will be what? Will be less than what? Less than 7. Do you get that? So strong acid, weak base will give you what? A pH that is less than 7. Strong base and weak acid will give you a pH what? Greater than what? 7. So having learned that, why strong acid, strong base will give you a pH what? Will give you a neutral pH. Now you have to do this one for me. What is the pH of this salt? ZnCl CuSO. Put it on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching.